talked about the dinosaurs, which I want to get to in just 1 second, but just on Ian Malcolm's lines.
Oh, I know what it was not so relaxed because it was COVID, but yes, within it, and because of that, we bonded even stronger. And we all, not only Laura and Sam and I, but Bryce and Chris and everybody else in this fantastic cast, whom we'll mention, we made a family of ourselves. Yes.
We delight in Ian Malcolm's lines because you seem, I think, a number of times to speak for us. You know, everything is crazy, but you seem to be aware of the fact that it's completely crazy. And there's one point even where you say, Jurassic World, I wasn't a fan. You know, I feel as though you have that role that you're speaking for the audience.
Well, yes, but not meant to be meta, any criticism of the movies. But yes, one could easily see why logically my character would say, hey, you made another park? Again, after everything that happened, after everything that I've said, and you've heard me on the subject, I've written books on the subject now. I think in that world, in the made-up world, I'm probably known for my opinions. Yeah, so I was not a fan of that park idea.
So the first film was such a jaw-dropping experience because we hadn't seen that shown on the big screen in that way before. Can you compare what it was like to film this movie with dinosaurs, whether it be CGI puppetry, whatever, with what it was like back in the day?
Sure, Simon, if you're interested, or if any of our listeners are interested. Yes, I've talked about it a little before. You know, it was new back then. You're right. It was as I now realize, it was a landmark technological breakthrough that changed, as some say, the people who